In this video, I'll show you how to add a contact to WhatsApp on your iPhone. So, I'm going to show you two different methods to do this. The first method is by heading over to your phone's home screen. You can then open your phone book. Click on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. Type in the name of the person you want to add, and then type in the mobile number of the person you want to add on WhatsApp. Make sure you're using the correct international country code as well. Once you've added this, press Done in the top right-hand corner. Now open the WhatsApp application, click on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, and use the search box to look for the contact we just added. If that person is on WhatsApp, you'll be able to select them from the list and start a conversation with them directly. If the person is not on WhatsApp and hasn't signed up yet, you'll see an invite button instead. This basically means the person does not have a WhatsApp account. You can also add people directly in the WhatsApp app. If you only want to add a contact to WhatsApp instead of adding it to both your phone and WhatsApp, click on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. Then click on New Contact. Once again, type in the name of the contact you want to add. Click on the country, and from here, select the country of the contact you're trying to add. This will automatically add the international prefix at the start of the phone number. Then type in the phone number. Decide whether you also want to add this contact to your iPhone. I'm going to disable this and then press Done. Once you've added your contact, simply click the contact from the list below and you'll be able to start a conversation with that contact. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.